they bullet holes? They are, aren't they? No.
Oh, aye, look at.
Aye. Oh, there's a rat, there's a rat! Oh, aye, it does, aye. Keep doing that. The stuff on the top moves. No way did this bike have 60,000 miles on it. Yeah. Look at that, man. You know what? Even in the state that's in, I wonder if someone would actually like.
Oh, I think someone would buy that, like, for sure.
The shell looks actually kind of good. I know it's a bit rusty, like.
Pretty sure the bonnet opens.
It's just little. Oh,
A few bits definitely.
I'm not surprised someone's just took it off.
Heavy that.
Bloody hell. I didn't know what that was. That's in better. Oh, is that?
One of the best ones in the whole place.
That's just to seal that door up. That stop people from opening it. That's what that is.
Keep sure up.
Oh, yeah.
I can't stay that. Roof rack on in there.
Aye. Good little off-roader.
Aye.
Just weird, like, why?
Automatic.
Most of them kind of like Mercs and fancy cars are automatic, aren't they? Don't know why, is it just store? Wait. Can you track that way?
Can you out, doesn't it?
Aye. Make sure the farmer's not coming over.
Why Reg? You know what year that was?
Why, Reg? Bro? Don't even know.
Pick the wrong choice of clothing, yeah, pulling that out.
It's old, like.
What in?
The old bikes. Well, they've been here a while. Seen that one? Oh, it's had its stuff stolen off it, hasn't it?
Probably.
Parts taken.
One around there looks like they started doing it and it's just been left.
Oh, the one, aye. Oh, that's a. What's that then? Is that
Then it's sitting.
Is that what that is?
Shaking forward,
Oh, I've smashed all the windows on these ones. Seen that?
People come and smash them.
Oh, look, there's the part of the helicopter, man. Oh no, it's not. It's like a.
Paramotor.
A power. Is it a paraglider?
Paracopter, alright. You can still smell the petrol when you.
I smell something there. Different turn. It's mad, that.
Fuel in it.
It's mental, that way.
That wasn't on that window thing I was doing. Fuck off. The free urban.
That's a nice motor, that way.
I don't even know if that was smashed last time I came.
It hasn't been smashed, has it yet?
No, that was on the screen.
Oh. It's mad to see a helicopter. Like. Oh,
That looks like an old crop dust out, doesn't it? Something like that.
it's like bird's nest, isn't it, man? Oh, it's mad. Wow, I just realised how big the propeller is.
They've just got it in, like, haven't they?
How would you?
I think they've got it in there and then bricked the wall
Aye.
up. Or they took the roof off and dropped it in.
No, they must have just driven it in, man. It's a hell of a size, like. Smashed all the. I don't know how much one of them would actually cost. That's just mad. At least back in the day. Oh, I just started doing this one up. Just. Oh, it's got the engine in, man.
Well, that car was smashed last time I came.
Up, so that's the boat.
Isn't that a combine harvester that big? Big alarm thing?
Oh yeah, it is. No, no, no. It's got a petrol tank on it.
I'm not sure what it is, some kind of farm equipment. I
Um,
don't know what that is.
doing that. I think it's separate. Seeing that there looks like a bit of a combine harvester though. I think it's some kind of feeder.
Some kind of hopper. Still got that old car smelling now.
Aye.
You know how simple how the cars were back then. All the buttons and that are in the cars now, there's barely anything in there.
Literally just straightforward.
Aye. Indicators and the aircon and that's it.
Aye, lucky if it even aircon worked, I bet you in this thing. It smells clean though.
Aye, it does, doesn't it?
Even-
It's got the tax disc in the window.
Oh yeah, it does. Aye.
$2.99. Street Arthur Road for 25, yeah. Seen this one?
Aye, so that's last tax, but what do you think all this is here then? Is this just being part of the body?
Well, there's bits of this helicopter in the house next door. I wouldn't have to bought it for a project, and then the blokes just died halfway through.
Maybe so. Aye.
I feel like that's what this whole thing was. It was someone's little project, and they probably just pop these clogs. No kids or anything, so
71,000 on the clock.
71,000. What would have more on me?
Aye, and that 71,000 doesn't seem much.
What was the max speed on a car like this? I didn't go too fast, didn't it?
Probably 50 if you were lucky.
Aye. I would only go so okay. It only goes 260.
Oh, aye, it does, aye. Keep doing that. The stuff on the top moves. Aye, so them pedals turn it on the top. So if you're going like, if you wanted to turn sideways around, it like makes it go.
Aye. Surprised it's still grafting after all these years.
Aye, but it's been a canny little place, like, even though the birds have took over. Seen all the straps, oh, there's a two-seater, man. Booster seat? No, that's not a booster seat, is it?
Probably not. It might just be the cushion. Or one like
Oh, right, I'm missing the, aye, there's me thinking someone needed a booster.
Wonder what year it's from.
What's that, say? Can't be.
48 Imperial Guns.
Aye.
It's the fuel tanks.
Aye, they'd be the fuel tanks. I mean, they're a bit vulnerable, like.
I don't know what this is for me. I wonder if it was like a movie prop or.
The things. They would have been the ones that made the muckle noise in the sky. You just turn the propeller and it's away. I don't know how they can put their trust into that way. Can you imagine just sitting on that and hoping for the best, man?
And imagine running out of fuel.
You could glide your way down like, but
Oh, that's a great idea.
I think that's how it worked. I'd still be a bit skeptical, like.
You wouldn't have to be one of them.
Aye. Especially it's a one manner and all, innit? What? No way did this bike have 60,000 miles on it.
60,000 on that one.
On a motorbike? Oh no. 60,000 on a motorbike? That can't be right. 60388.
Like
That's mad how much that's on it. Aye. No,
washing
no.
machines were invented.
Aye, that way you dry your Will that not be like a press to dry the clothes off afterwards?
Aye, aye. Oh, that's what it was for before dryers were invented.
Aye, you'd squeeze the water out of the clothes.
Aye, get the fit off.
Aye, and then the rest is other welding gear and that. They bullet holes? They are, aren't they? No.
Oh, aye, look at.
I had loads of bullet holes.
Down on the bottom.
Oh, they're just pellet holes, I think. Not always sure, like. Nice little warning from the farmer.
31st of the 3rd, 11.
Is this where the motorbikes are in here?
Aye, motorbike.
See, that bike's more intact. Much better condition.
Still run, maybe, with a bit of work.
Bit rusty like, but then again.
Road stuff.
It is a bit like a chopper. Not worth.
Motorbike in here as well.
I don't know, I don't know. Wonder why. There's so many, they didn't do out with them.
I mean, that makes you think, doesn't it? What's the story?
I was like, to guess me, like.
Must be canny old.
There's an old Arga. Wouldn't like to use it new, like.
Oh no. Looks like a small one. I've seen the ones a lot bigger than that in people's houses.
I normally mock up old houses and all, aren't they?
I've worked in a few houses in Morpeth, they've all got.
Have you seen that on there? Diesel tankers. But he's chucking on them. It's like the hills at Wrong Turn. A weird little truck they used to drive. Chugging along.
Oh, long turn, the furrow.
Aye. Oh, there's a rat, there's a rat! I've just seen it on the top of here.
Oh,
Oh, biggin, muckle biggin.
that's not good, is it? Didn't like them, mate.
Uh-oh, I've just heard it. Do you want it back? It's honestly, did you hear it drop?
I heard it scuttling.
Aye, I'm backing out of here. Aye, it's doing the backside of that. It looked fucking huge.
Well, if there's one, there's more.
It's a farm, like. There's always ones on farm. Nice little diesel tanker, like, but it's a shame I'm not stopping here too long. Flammable liquids.